Chapter 7 Graphics and Sounds in QBasic. Chapter includes Screen Command, Color Command, Piece Set Command, Line Command, Circle Command, Pin Command, Sound Effects, Sound Command. Introduction. The display on a computer system is made up of hundreds of pixels. Pixel stands for picture's element. In simple word, a pixel is a dot or the smallest possible single component of an image on the screen. The computer screen is made with about 1 million little squares of color. Each one of those little squares is called a pixel. The resolution of screen consists of columns and rows that can be specified as row value x column value. Hence, resolution of any computer screen can be 320 x 200, in which 320 pixels are represented horizontally on screen, and 200 pixels can be represented vertically. Screen command. The screen statement sets the video display mode and size of the program Windows workspace. This statement is used to set the screen resolution. A screen statement also clears the screen like CLAs. Syntax. Screen mode number. In the screen mode, integer values available are 0 to 2 and 7 to 13 listed below. Table for various screen modes. Screen mode. Types of screen resolution. Colors for screen mode. Screen 0. Text 1 screen. Screen 1. Graphics 320 x 200 for Screen 2. Graphics 640 x 200 to Screen 7. Graphics 320 x 200 16. Screen 8. Graphics 640 x 200 16. Screen 9. Graphics 640 x 350 16. Screen 10. Graphics 640 x 350 to Screen 11. Graphics 640 x 480 to Screen 12. Graphics 640 x 480 16. Screen 13. Graphics 320 x 200 256. Facts.com. Screen 3 to 6 are no longer supported on most computers. Using them will cause a video error. Color command. This command is used to set attractive screen colors for displaying the text and the graphics. The default color of text is white or gray. With this command, we have to specify the color number to change the color. Syntax. Color number. Where the number can be any number from 0 to 15. There are total 16 colors in QBasic. The following table shows it. Table for color codes in QBasic. Color code. Color 0 black 06 brown 11 light cyan 01 dark blues 07 white 12 light red 02 green 08 dark gray 13 light magenta 03 cyan 09 light blue 14 yellow 04 red 10 light green 15 bright white 05 dark magenta. Example 1. Color 0 print. I love my India. Here, it will display the text in light green color. Example 2. Color 9. Print. An empty vessel sounds much. Here, text will be displayed in light blue color. You can change the foreground as well as background color. Syntax: color foreground color, background color. Example 3. CLS, color 09. Print. Welcome to World of Graphics. Here, the foreground or the color of text will be light green and the background color will be light blue. To change the background color only, use a comma after the color. Example 4. CLA's color 9. Print. Hello children. Here, the foreground or the color of text will be light green and the background color will be light blue. Facts.com. Background colors are available in screen modes 0, 1, 7, 8 and 9 only. Screen modes 12 and 13 can use the foreground parameter only. Background color 0 can be changed using O2. Screen modes 2 and 11 cannot use the color keyword as they are monochrome with white foreground. Facts.com. Except mode 0, all the modes can be used to create graphics. The default mode of the screen is mode 0. pset command. Pset stands for setting a pixel of a specified color on the computer screen. This command sets the pixels on the screen and always used to display pixels on screen. Before setting the pixels on screen, you need to use screen command to make it effective. Pset can be used in any graphic screen mode, but cannot be used in the default screen mode 0, as it is text only. Syntax: pset column, row, color of pixel. Example 5. CLA's screen 13, pset 60 gray. 16:6. Here, color of pixel will be brown and its position will be on screen is 60 gray. Example 6. CLA's screen 12, pset 100, 60. 1. Here, color of pixel will be dark blue and its position will be on screen is 100, 60. Example 7. CLA's screen 13, pset 6, 6, 4, pset 60, 56, 13. Here, both red and light magenta color pixels will be on the screen. Line command. This command draws a line between two specified points which starts from initial point to end point. It can draw square, rectangle or any other shape by specifying its diagonal, etc. Syntax: line x1, y1, x2, y2, color number, Bs, bf, where x1, y1. These are the coordinates of starting points. x1 is the column coordinate and y1 is the row coordinate, x2, y2. These are the coordinates of endpoints. x2 is the column coordinate and y2 is the row coordinate. Color number specifies the color of the line. B used to draw a box. BF used to draw a box filled with a color. Example 8. Rim to draw a vertical line. Screen 9. Line 0, 0, 0, 100 for output. Example line. Rim to draw a horizontal line. Screen 9. Line 0, 0, 100, 0, 1 output. Example 10. Rim draw an isosceles triangle with horizontal base. Screen 7 line 160, 30, 250, 180 for line 250, 180, 70, 180, 2, line 70, 180, 160, 31. Example 11. Rim drawing a square box. Screen 9. Line 10, 10, 100, 100, 2, B output. Example 12. Rim draw a box filled with color. Screen 9. Line 10, 10, 100, 100, 2, BF output. Circle command. The circle command is used in graphics screen modes to create circles, arcs or ellipses. This command draws the circle in QBasic at the specified coordinates of a specific radius. Syntax: circle XY, radius, color SAEA, where XY coordinates where circle will be drawn. Radius, it specifies the radius of circle. Color, it specifies the color of circle. SA, starting angle if you want to draw an arc. EA, ending angle of the arc. Example 13. Rim, draw a circle. Screen 9. Circle 105. 105. 50. Example 14. Rim, draw circle without color. Screen 9. Circle 50. 50. 25. The circle command also provides a mechanism for drawing arcs, that is, not complete circles. To do this, you have to specify the starting angle of the arc from the positive x-axis and the ending angle of the arc from the positive x-axis. The angles have to be specified in radius. Example 15. Screen 9. Circle 10, 50, 5203.14. Above command draws a semicircle in color 2 above the x-axis with the center at 1050 and a radius of 5. Paint command. This command paints the particular point with the specified color and also fill the closed figure with the specified color. Border color parameter needs to be specified, otherwise it will cover the entire screen. Syntax: paint XY, fill color, border color, where XY. These coordinates are in closed shape. Fill color, this is the specified color and used to fill the figure or shape. Border color, this is very important to specify. If color for border is not specified, then entire screen will be filled up. Example 16. Screen 9. Circle 9. T 90, 30, 3 paint 90, 92. Here the entire screen filled with green color because border color are different. Example 17. Screen 9. Circle 90, 90, 30, 3 paint 90, 92. Here the entire screen filled with green color because border color is not specified. Example 18. Screen 9. Circle 90, 50, 6 paint 90, 96, 6. Here border color and fill color both are same. Example 19. Screen 12. Circle 100, 150, 4. Paint 100, 104. In here, the coordinate 100,000, 100 tells the computer where to start filling the circle and 4 is the color number for red. Sound effect. The sound effects to your graphics can be given by the following command. Beep command. The beep command is used to produce a beep sound for about half a second. Syntax. Beep. Example 20. CLS print. Hello, beep print. Welcome to QBasic Word. Beep here. After printing hello, the beep sound will be produced which displays the message Welcome to QBasic World, and it produced beep sound again. Sound command. This command produces different types of sound that has different frequency for a specific time period, whereas the beep command produces the same type of sound. Syntax. Sound X, whereas X represents frequency in hertz and Y represents duration in ticks. Example 21. CLS rim. This program produces sound. Sound 550, 35. Here, this program produces a 550 Hz wave for the duration of 35 ticks. Screen 0 print. This is screen 0 only. Text is allowed for S equal sign 1 to 13, IFS 3 or S6. Then do sleep loop until inky $screens. Print. This is screen S print. Can use text and graphics IFS 2 or S. Then print monochrome. No color statement end IFS equals sign 10. Then color to print. This screen has only 4 colors, black and 3 white, circle, 100, 100, 2L circle, 100, 100, 2L circle, 100, 100, SENDE. Next, key points. Pixel stands for picture elements like a dot on the screen. Its screen command turns on the screen mode to graphics mode, as by default text screen is turned on. Color command changes the color of text as well as the color of background. Pset command is used to set the pixels on screen and display pixels on screen. Line command draws line between two specified points. Circle command draws the circle at the given coordinates of a given radius. Paint command paints the particular point with given color and also fill up the closed figure with a given color. Beep command produces the beep sound for half second. Sound command produces sound of different frequency and different types of sound.